So guys, today ay mag-unbox naman tayo ng mga tops from Shopee. Let's try this one. Mura lang naman to guys. Mura lang siya. I choose red kasi mag-birthday na ako. That's why this was the first. Second. And the third one is this. Ito yung chinos nila na cover. Kasi wala na brand yan. So this is the Charlie. Ayan. Which, tatlo lang siya guys. Puro maroon. Maroon tong dalawa. Ito isa ay red. Try natin guys. So this one's first. Parang banot yung ating logo. Pero you can ano naman this with any other self ano to siya self tie self tie po yan. Ayun siya parang banot yung ating logo pero that's the only thing. So this is the second. So next, ayun perfect ito sa ayan, ulit naka-white. Cotton binili nila. This is the second. Let's go to the third one. Ganda oh. Ang ganda niya. Perfect. Ang ganda din. Ang ganda din ito.